Hey family, let's make some Ranger cookies today. I'm just going to show you the process of making the dough. You see me when I flash freeze them and put them in Ziploc, so I'm not going to bore you with that, but let's make the dough together. And thanks for joining me today. I'm Buffy from Buffy's Flavorful Journey, in case you didn't know. Okay, we're going to get started. Making the Ranger cookies first. In this bowl I have the sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. I had to think for a minute. We'll beat that together with the softened butter. And I softened it in the microwave. I am making double the batch too. We beat these until combined. Then we add in the vanilla and the sugar. I'm going to clean off the beater. And you know what? I'm going to switch my attachment. I don't really like this attachment. I like the other one a little better. So let me go and do that. It'll be easier for me to clean this off with it off of there. These rubber sides scrape the sides of your bowl really well, but because this isn't a KA attachment, you know, some off-brand I got off Amazon, it rattles a little bit on the KA. So I'm going to get the other attachment that I like a little better. And you can see the difference. It's got the rubber on one side versus both sides. And this is a KA. Let me put this one in the sink. I knew that thing was sounding funny. I was like, why is it sounding funny? And I did find out where the screw, this is the KA, that the screw came off, but I found out where it went. And I reattached that yesterday. I'm gonna move it up so you can see. Turn it around. The screw went up under here. That's where it went. And it popped off when I was making the honey bun cake. Okay, I'm gonna say that's combined. So now I wanna stir in the egg and the vanilla. It's 2 large eggs because I'm doing double the batch. There's one. And I did test my eggs with the water test. I did a short video on that and looked that up to see that. So I know they're good eggs. I want to get my other towel. And the vanilla. The recipe calls for, let's see, 1 teaspoon of vanilla for 1 batch. Y'all know I don't do that. At a minimum, I use 2 tablespoons when I'm baking. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Okay. Once we get this combined, we stir in the flour. Oh, that's much better. Before with that other attachment, it was making noise and kind of jiggling a little bit. Now it's not. Always amazes me what the egg will do when you add it to your batter. It just makes it smoother and helps the ingredients combine because it's the binder, right? Okay. Stir in the flour, and I'm going to remember to put that dish towel over the KA when I turn it on, because the flour is going to fly everywhere if I don't have it on there. Just remembered that trick to do that, and I got flour all over this, so no worries. from yesterday's baking. I think we should be okay now. Yeah. In this bowl, I have the cereal, the oats, and the coconut. We add that to the batter, and that's the cookies. We'll be done. And I am freezing these, so I'm gonna put them on a parchment lined cookie sheet and put it in the freezer for an hour. Let them flash freeze. Then I'll take them out and put them in Ziploc baggies with the date they were made, the name of the cookie, and the cooking instructions. If you've seen any of my cookie dough videos, you know that process, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. What I will do once I get done with, what's going in there? Get done with this one is I'm going to clean up the kitchen and get started because I'm making another batch of Buffy's Best Chocolate Chip Cookies. I'm not going to show that because there's a video already on that. Feel free to watch it. I'll drop the link in the description, and I'll put it at the end of this video too. But these are your Ranger cookies. Quick and easy, and of course I'm making a mess. Every time I bake, I make a mess. That's just what I do. My counter is clean. I always wipe it down, and I like, what is it? I have Clorox wipes over there. We have Clorox and Lysol, and I didn't know which one I used. I had to look at the canister to see. Probably should have used my 8-quart KA, but since I found that screw that came out of this one, I wanted to test it out and use it. It did a good job. I know it's working now, so that's the main thing. But you know what, family? I'm saving up money, like I said in my other video with the cookies that I made yesterday. I want to get a Bosch. Does anybody have the Bosch mixer? And if you do, what do you think about it? Leave a comment and let me know, because I'm curious. Is it worth me trying that out? Because I've seen a couple other YouTubers, they've stopped using their KAs and they're using their Bosch. So for one, it's bigger. It's 6.5 quarts. This KA is a 5-quart, so it's going to be bigger. It's not as big as my 8-quart KA though, but they say it's more powerful. And it was like, you can whip up 300 cookies in the Bosch. Not the size cookies I make though, because y'all know I make some big cookies. But, so I'm just curious, if you have it, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. Is it worth the money? Because these mixers are not cheap. And I've never known the Bosch to go on sale anywhere. So if it does go on sale, let me know that too, because I'll wait to buy it when it goes on sale. You know, like, does it go on sale around Christmas or something? Okay, let me unplug it. Clean up a little bit. This thing always gets stuck on there. Move it out of the way. Cord 2. But this is my Ranger cookie dough. Get down into the bottom because I don't think part of the bottom was combined. But these cookies are really good. They're sweet because you have the coconut and all that sugar in there. They're also hearty because you have some oats. And that Rice Krispie cereal gives it a little crunch. So these are good. Well, thanks for watching, family. I appreciate you all. If you haven't already, please like the video. The video camera was shaking. I stopped. So thanks for watching, family. Appreciate you all. If you haven't already, please like the video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me. And I so appreciate you guys spending time with me a couple times a week. It means the world to me again. Until the next video, family. All the best to you and yours.